Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decoration ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is zebras. I will show you. Friends, use all things in a new way. For example, cup, water, tires, turn them into a planter. It's look creative and unique. And next area, make a small sitting area, add a chair or benches in your garden. You can relax there and enjoy. And viewers, so my viewers, next area is another area is hang plants. Use hanging basket or rope to hang small plants. This saves space and look very stylish. You can also add small decoration like stone mini statues or birdhouse. They make your garden more interesting. Last idea, keep your garden clean and fresh. And friends, so my next idea is friends, turn plants and water them regularly. A clean garden always look beautiful. I hope you like these ideas. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, friends. See you in the next video. Friends, I hope you enjoy my ideas. So Allah Hafiz.